What is going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. Daniel here. In this video I want to talk about something that it's not very much talk about, and that is Walmart dropshipping. How can you get started dropshipping with Walmart? Now, it is a very tricky subject because Walmart is not specifically built for that purpose. Now, Walmart is just like Amazon, a marketplace that allows third-party sellers like myself and just anybody with, who wants to start selling online. They allow them to come on, list the product and start selling. But Walmart is not as straightforward as Amazon. You can't just sign up. You have to there's a lot of bottlenecks that you have to go through before you can be allowed to sell on Walmart. And the problem with dropshipping Walmart is not actually dropshipping or finding products. The first thing that you have to do is to get accepted into the Walmart partnership program. Now, you have to sign up and provide documents, which is where a lot of people have a lot of issues with, with selling on Walmart. And I was able to do it, and I've had my account approved now for a couple of months, and it was actually approved in less than 24 hours because I had, a lot of the documents on ground that Walmart requested, your LLC, proof that you're an existing business and things of that nature. So I just want to show you, you might be seeing on my screen right now, great platform because there's not a lot of competition like Amazon. Amazon has over 2 million active sellers right now, and Walmart has less than 200,000. So you can see the difference between the numbers, between Amazon and Walmart. So that's why there's a lot of opportunity on Amazon right now. Now, dropshipping on Amazon, I believe, is like the easiest way to get started. On Walmart, the easiest way to get started on Walmart is through dropshipping because not a lot of people have the capital to go invest in a product and private label the product. So if you can just get started with dropshipping on Walmart, then maybe you can save some money, then you can private label your own product and start selling on the platform. But the problem with private label or with dropshipping on Amazon is that on Walmart, I keep saying Amazon. The problem with dropshipping on Walmart is that every product that you want to upload needs something they call the UPC code. Now, UPC code is the Universal Product Identifier that allows Amazon to identify your product. So it's not like you can go ahead and just list your own products. You have to list a product, or you have to jump on an existing listing. Walmart has the overall, I would say, control over the products that go on the platform. So they have one central database for a product, and you just go and attach yourself to that product, if that makes sense. So that's what the UPC code allows you to do. So I'm just going to demonstrate something right here. List a product that I feel like, so that way you can see exactly how it's done. So I'm just going to record my screen real quick and show you how to list a product on Amazon if you're trying to list a product on there. So it's not like, Facebook Marketplace or any of these platforms where you just list a product, and just, put whatever description you like. You have to go through a UPC code. So now I'm going to do add a single item. So once you do add a single item, as you can see, you can upload image and do all those things, but the only way to upload a product is through these four methods. One is the GTIN, ISBN if you're uploading a book, a UPC code, or an EAN code. Now, all of these things, all of this, acronyms, they serve the same purpose, which is, being a product identifier. So once you put that number here, once you put a UPC code here, it's going to show you the product, and you can either accept or reject it. It's going to ask you if that is your product or if it's not your product. So you can't just come in here and upload pictures and upload description like you would with Facebook Marketplace or Facebook Shops or Shopify. You can't do that. It's a more regulated platform. So once you do that, once you upload those products, then you will see them appear somewhere here. So right here now I have 21 items uploaded. Now you can go ahead and upload the same things. I don't care. Not every one of them sells. Only one of them is selling right now, and you can't even see it here. So let's take this product for example, right? All right. So this is what my product looks like on Amazon. Now this is not my listing, okay? Because there's about 11 sellers selling the same item and at different prices. So what you see here is the product with the lowest price. So this is called the buy box. So if you search for this product, this is the listing that comes up, and this is the seller right here. It's going to tell you who the seller is. And if you look at all 11 sellers right here, it says sold by, it's going to tell you, sold and shipped by Walmart. So Walmart has the buy box on this product because they have the cheapest price. And this is sold by Modern Impressions. This is sold by John and Kenny's Kitchen. This is sold by, just different people. And my listing is somewhere in here, but of course, I'm not going to show you what my, business name is on Walmart. But that is just to show you that, it's very price competitive on Walmart. And if you can find a product with the right pricing, you can, go ahead and list it and make a lot of profit. I've, listed items, for 20%, 25% profit on Walmart, and I've made sales with them. So the problem is, how do you find products with products that has a UPC code? Because that is what you need to list products on Amazon. Now, there's a website that I use to find my products, and it's called Doba. Now, Doba is like an wholesale website, but the good thing about Doba is they are all US-based suppliers. US-based suppliers meaning they provide tracking number, they ship out within sometimes 1 business day, sometimes 2 business days, depending on what supplier you go with. So this website right here has listings, with UPC code, with GTIN codes, and you just have to go find, the niche that you want to sell in. Let's say we want to sell something in home decor, right? It's given me some options here. I can filter this by items with UPC code, which is exactly what I need. So I'm just going to submit that, and it's going to filter the, all of these items by products with UPC code. So now from 20,000, it filtered down to 1,981 products. So all of these products that you see here, they have UPC codes, and you can go ahead and list this product on Walmart. Now it's going to tell you how many days it takes to process and to ship out. Now this is 1.5 business days. Now this is 0.5, meaning it takes half a day to process and to ship out, and about 24 hours before you get your tracking number, which is really good because on Walmart you only have 24 hours to ship out products. Now some will go as far as 5 business days. You don't want to do that, but the most important thing is to find a supplier that provides UPC codes. Now you can use Doba, you can use Sunshine Wholesale Merchandise. There's a lot of platforms that you can use, but I would strongly recommend Doba. But the downside of that is that everybody is using the same platform, so you will be finding a lot of products that are most likely saturated, which brings me back to what I mentioned before. The best way to actually sell and be profitable on Walmart is to private label your product, so that way you have a monopoly on that product, on the pricing, and pretty much every variable that makes a product successful. So you can start with drop shipping, and if you have any questions about this, leave a comment down below. I will probably come out with probably a one-on-one strategy session on how to even get started on Walmart, because you need to get approved before you can sell on Walmart. So if you like this video, let me know in the description box down below, and I will be sure to make videos like this about Walmart Marketplace, how to get started, how to start listing products. So let me know in the description box down below, and I'll make products like that. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Please like this video. Also leave a comment, because it helps YouTube algorithm. It's a new channel, and I'm trying to my best to make sure you guys get the best information about whatever it's working for me. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.